We're going to be doing popcorn today, and then maybe some other stuff. So let's go ahead and first off make directory and desktop, hack the box, popcorn. Christy, how you doing today? Let's also get another thing open here. And nope, we're on hack the box, right? That work for me? There we go. Okay, cool. Let's go and copy that IP address, and we will ping that. Okay, we're good. All right. So let's go ahead and let's see if this thing start. Start with a Rust scan here, as always. If it was .6, it was. Let's go ahead and do a Nicto scan out also, and we'll also go ahead and we'll check out that web server too. See what we got here. It works. This default web page, web server running is running but no content has been added. That's not really a default. It works though now, is it? Let's go and run Ferox Buster on here. And let's go ahead and do a whoa. Why is we getting so many 404s? This is a way to be able to get rid of 404s. Don't collect file extensions. Okay, not that. Extract links, force recursion, death, no recursion. Filter status, right? So taxi 404. Let's go ahead and do that. Is that capital C? Filter status. Nope, just yeah, capital C 404. So we got a lot of 404 errors. We got test and test.php. Let's go and check out and see what that is. Okay, so we see the PHP version here. And we see let's go to Etsy PHP Apache 2. Okay. Latest popcorn 2.6.31. That seems very old. Susan patch. Zen scripting language. Okay. Those two, like right there, I don't think I've seen those two in here. Popcorn.hackthebox.gr80. www data's running it. It's in a normal location. Let's try /test because we saw that also worked, right? Or if we're still get that PHP info right back again. So it appears to be vulnerable to shell shock. So it says that /test seems to be vulnerable to shell shock right there, huh? So let's go ahead and who are this? Oh, I don't have Twitch open. Maybe I should actually open up Twitch. Elliot43, hey, thanks a lot for the follow. Okay, so supposedly this is vulnerable to shell shock. I'm thinking Apache mod, most likely. That's what I'm thinking at least. Okay. So it looks like we got our host, L host, L port, page specific CGI vulnerable pages. Let's go ahead and just send it out like right now and see if what we get. First 10.10.10.6. Our port we don't really need probably, but we're gonna put it in there. lhost, lport, I probably need to say reverse, huh? So we'll say payload equals reverse. That's just already in use. Oh, is it going to make a thing for me? It says on test, so we probably got to put in something like test.php or something like that, but it's not a CGI directory. Just say a /test site appears vulnerable to shell shock. So that is definitely something that we want to look into, like right there. If that /test is actually vulnerable to shell shock or not, then obviously we'll want to look at something like that. We also have that torrent page. Let's do a /test. Down here, pages. May also be the bash one, in all honesty. Maybe this one, like right here. This one is PHP. You could always try the Metasploit version. Let's try that like real quick. See if we get anywhere with that. So we want the bash one, right? This one right here. It's a test. So let's go ahead and try to run it. We'll say nah, got above 100% done. 100.46%. Okay. It may be vulnerable to it. Let's go ahead and check out this torrent page like real quick, see if we see anything in there. Okay. Upload, username, password. All right. Lost password, sign up. Caret at localhost.com 15484. Okay, let's try to log in with that. Caret. Don't save. Okay, so now we're logged in. What happens if we go to upload this thing? We got uTorrent in here. Zurus, BitTorrent. Okay. So these 3 characters. Browse. Okay. Kali Linux in here. Can we upload a PHP reverse shell? Will something actually happen? Let's go and try it. We should also probably look up torrent hoster, see if there's anything with that. I'm sure there's a lot with it, but let's go and try that like right there. Oh, look at that, remote upload. It's a text file for it, okay. That's listening now. Let's go ahead and try to upload this thing real quick. It was, what are we on now? We're on Hack the Box, right? Popcorn. Show that PHP. It doesn't really matter. Maybe we'll do other. Upload torrent. This is not a valid torrent file. Okay. Let's go ahead and see about this torrent hoster like right here. Sublime 11746 to find a shell. Huh. Okay. Um, wonder if I could just, let's go and try this like real quick. I got no idea. Let's go back to browse. Let's download the Kali one. Okay. Then let's re-upload Kali, intercept in Burp Suite, and see if it's looking at client or file side or server side authentication for server side. So it's got like right here. Let's try that. So let's go ahead and do a move that guy over to here. Let's go and try to upload. Okay. We're gonna get Burp Suite up and running, right? What if we can intercept it and then change it to shell.php if it'll actually download shell.php for us? Let's try that. Let's go ahead and fill this guy into there because now it's a valid torrent file, right? Burp Suite. We'll just choose other again. Upload torrent. Okay, there we go. So there's that. Send a repeater. So torrent mode equals upload. Okay. We saw that within the little thing over here, right? Find shell. Okay. So now we have this, right? I wonder if we just delete that whole thing and just put our PHP verse shell in there. Let's go ahead and forward it off, see what happens. Let's go ahead and just forward this for now. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so it does know that that torrent already exists. Let's go ahead and change the name of it. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so it already knows that no matter what I do here, it already knows that exists, huh? See if like there's like anything else we could change inside of it or anything like that. Let's go ahead and GitHub torrent hoster. Exploit DB. Okay, this is I think the actual box itself. Okay, this is all just, we're obviously in the correct place. Is this a text file again? Yes, it is. I'll submit. trying to figure out what that, like where to put that in the thing. The old things to the new ones for like text file stuff like that, they've got much different. They've got much better at writing the proof of concepts. So, I'm also wondering if we can like maybe upload. It's not allowing us to upload a PHP file, right? I wonder if we just upload something like php.torrent. Just move it to that. Do something like that, like right there. Go to upload. That work? She's gonna say no. This is not a valid torrent file. What about .torrent? Does that work? This is not a valid torrent file. Okay. What if we need to change like the content type or anything like that? We also know that there's the Metasploit way in too. We do know that one exists also. Well, as far as we know it does. For this thing right here. Then we could try that. But I'm seeing, let's see here, if we can't do it with .torrent. Okay, let's try, we can't upload Kali.torrent. Can we delete something off of here? So it won't let us pretty much, okay, so we can do screenshots. That's what I was wondering, if we could have like something like that where we could actually, so I just need like a torrent file. Can I do something like that? I was gonna know that I still can't upload that one like right there. Upload torrent. Does torrent already exist in our database? Of course it does. Okay. So how the hell am I supposed to upload a freaking torrent file? I guess what my thing is like right now. I think we could upload a torrent. Can I just like, what's up, Ash Chairman? How you doing? Can I do something like that? And just upload something.torrent? Jesus Christ. That's good to hear. We do that. This is not a valid torrent file. Jesus fucking Christ. So we. I just want a valid torrent file. What makes a torrent file a torrent file? Because I can't. Okay, let's go ahead and let's try to make a torrent file. Let's go ahead and do convert file to torrent. There, torrent converter, online and free. Great. Ah, yes, this is going to be a really, really good one. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured was going to happen. We should probably only get like 27 more of those. Ah, yes. My first website, as we can see. Jesus Christ, that thing is freaking all over the place. What's up, Ponix? How you doing? Qubit torrent. Oh, God. It'd be way easier if I could just literally just re-download that one. And just upload it like that. Or if I can just get an online converter. Convert to torrent. Torrent. Convert PDF to torrent. Ah, yes, yes. We'll do. Yeah, I'm sure that's gonna. Oh, Jesus. Hey, Ascertainment, thank you very much for getting the sub. Thanks a lot. I think at the same time, someone also just fouled. Don't know who did that, but thank you for the foul. I get the sub to Christy. Thank you very much, Ascertainment. Oh, God. I just want to convert to torrent. That's all I want to do. Just convert a file to a torrent. This is turned into a freaking. Look at this site. Hi, sweetheart. All right. Jesus Christ, I just want to convert into a freaking torrent. All right. So we can download this torrent, but as soon as, I wonder if we just put it into music or something like that, if it'll allow us to do that. Let's go ahead and try to put it into music. How about that? So we got test.torrent, upload. Instead of other, let's go ahead and put it into music. And we'll throw test.torrent in there. This torrent already exists in our database. Of course it does. Okay. I was hoping. So how the fuck are we gonna make a damn torrent? I'll be back like 5 minutes. 1 second. With the hex editor. But we're gonna have to do it on one of these like something not torrent or something like that. But we gotta look up a torrent hex or torrent. Yeah, I guess it's hex. That was good. It is Ben coding. Wiki torrent from Ben coding. Okay. Ben coding. Like V encode. Peer-to-peer file sharing system. BitTorrent. Okay. How do we encode something into this? Can we just like encode something into it? Jesus. This is it's getting more work than what I really planned on doing. Let's just download a torrent. Just download Bob. Jesus Christ, we have to actually download a freaking. I didn't even think about that. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's go to that queue, whatever it's called. Make torrent file on Linux. Let's do this. How to create and share torrent on Linux here. We're just going to do this. Deluge GUI. We just install that. Be surprised. Okay, it's on there. Okay, we got something here. Create torrent. Okay. File. Test.torrent. Nope, not test.torrent. File. Something.torrent. Save that. Something.torrent.torrent. Sure, why not? Save that. Did we do it? Doesn't look like it. Is that it? Actually, we should be able to do a PDF like pretty quickly, shouldn't we? There. File. Desktop. Hack the box. It's called popcorn. All files. Oh, that's add torrent. Never mind. I want to create a torrent. That's why. Sitting here like, what the hell? Preview.pdf, right? There we go. Okay. Save that. Sure. Okay. Suppose it's just a data file. Let's see if it actually did it. Okay, so that one uploaded. Okay. Now we can edit this torrent. Let's see if we can change this. We can. Update screenshot. Here we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and put our shell in here. Make sure that's correct. Yep, that looks right. Listing on 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's go ahead and put our shell into here since we know that we can edit it. And we want shell.php. Let's see if that works. Okay. Don't care. submit screenshot. So shell.php, submit screenshot, and valid file. What about something like let's try this. Refresh the new screenshot. Yeah, I was really hoping it would have intercepted it. Do I have intercept on or something? Intercept is 100% on. Well, first I gotta turn this on, huh? See if we can do that. So it took that. It took shell.php. It says that it's typed as a PNG file, but so far we got that like right there. Let's go ahead and turn this off now. Refresh this page to see if image file not found. There we go. Now we get a callback. Let's go. All right, cool. So we got a callback. Whoa. Okay, so that does not want to work properly. That's okay. Let's go ahead and we'll refresh this page. Go back to here, get it again. Let's try it one more time. We'll try it with Python this time. Alright. I thought it wrong every single time. Okay. Nope. Okay. I'm all over the place like right now. That's a cron tab, nothing there, okay. SUID, sudo edit, RP password. Change ownership. I'll file change. We try this like right here. Try it. Then we want to do PT change ownership, right? We do that. Okay. What was that in? User lib. Okay. Nope. All right. Okay. So now he's got to figure out if that's even the way up. I have no idea. Or if there's something just totally else in here that we can do. The box is super old, but I don't really want to. Nothing in op, nothing in. What if we can actually do something with this? Privilege escalation. Do I have this already? Is the next question. No. Okay. I'm good. It froze. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, Meme Cody, thanks a lot for the, or Meme Cody, thanks a lot for the follow. All right, let's look at the ladder right up. This is like where I always see this PTCHOWN, and we've gone here like 1,000 times. I think this is like where we always see it at. Okay, that was good. Why is there an I in front of it? Alright, this must be like right here. Let's go ahead and try this guy like right here. Probably gonna have to GCC him, obviously. Is GCC on the machine? Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and cd temp nano exploit.c. Then we're going to do a GCC exploit.c taco exploit. Okay, that's good. Let's go ahead and do this. Music stopped. For some reason, YouTube's like, you've been listening to music for too long. So show with AD box, not hack the box. Sniper. Hack the box's window. What is it? Easy, medium, hard. What is it? Ponix. Let's go ahead and do a can I execute binary file? Okay. That's a new one for me. Maybe it's not that. Maybe I tried GCC it also and didn't seem to like that at all. Now did it? We also had look at that. Pipe C, local privilege escalation. We got a bunch of stuff for 2.6.31. So I mean, can always try some of these different guys, like right here. We can also search exploit it, or not search exploit, but Google it. But GC is on the box, but it wouldn't. So I already did that. Watch this. There you go. So, and I know I've actually used this one before, that same exact thing, so I know there's nothing wrong with the actual exploit itself. So, I think it's pipe C1. Let's try that like right there. See if it actually tells us how to, there's a certain way to GCC this thing. Okay, so nothing in there. So let's go ahead and And also, Christy, if you do the tac static at the end, I noticed that that'll make it work on machines that it's not supposed to work on. So that is something learned while I was doing virtual hacking labs. Learned that one like right there. If you put that tac static at the end there, I forgot what magic it does, but segmentation fault, really? Damn. So that one did not work for us. We have dirty cow here. Anything else? Guess we're gonna go with dirty cow here. ptrace poke data race. That's the password method. This is the Firefart one. All right, let's just go ahead and this number's gonna nano and we're just gonna throw this whole thing out of there instead of trying to wget and all that crap. So we're just gonna copy. And we got to GCC this thing. We gotta do a P thread. Actually, they did say that the way that I did, so let's do that like right there. And then if we don't add in anything, I believe it makes it just Firefart, and then it makes the password. I forgot what makes the password. Default is Firefart. Yeah, we'll just make it Firefart. And I don't think there's. I think the password is just password or something like that. Or it might be Firefart or something like that. But let's just go ahead and try it. Okay. Password. I forget 10, 10, 10, 6, right? Yeah, I know. It's most likely going to crash. Every time you do this, it's going to crash. It's great, isn't it? Oh, well, it didn't crash. Let's see if Firefart's actually in here. There's a guy named George in here. We should probably have looked at that first. Maybe see in a var, www. What else? Should probably do like a. Yeah, it didn't crashes, so that's good. We know it's out of date. Full Nelson. Okay. Five 5704. Oh. Okay. Let's go ahead and blind this guy real quick. 15704. See if there's any special way. Okay, so just straight up like that, okay? Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we're root. Oh, that's also Firefart, okay. We got it. Let's go.